It's another beautiful day at Covenant Pines Bible Camp. We are in the middle of our staff training in preparation for campers arriving shortly. And it's also been a busy time on the construction site for the worship center. As you can see behind me, we've got pallets full of bricks. In the last few days, our footings have cured. The well has proved, meaning it has enough water for both our drinking water as well as for the sprinkler system. And then in the upcoming days, this pile of bricks will all be put into the building to form that base level, and we'll start hauling fill in to bring the floor height up as well. So continue to pray for our campers, for the staff, and for the construction site. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.